If something's not quite right with your YAWN Air Bed, don't worry, you're in the right place. The two most common issues can be very easily solved. The first common issue is that the YAWN Air Bed isn't inflating, and the fix is usually very simple. First, double check that the power cord is properly plugged in and that the socket is switched on. Now, make sure that the manual air valve is closed. And lastly, make sure that the control knob has been turned to inflate, not deflate. If your issue is that the YAWN Air Bed is deflating, then first check that the manual air valve is closed. Once you're sure the valve is closed, check the control knob. If it's still turned to inflate, the YAWN Air Bed will slowly deflate when the pump isn't on. Lastly, take a look all over the YAWN Air Bed. You might have a puncture. If you have found a puncture, don't worry, we'll have that sorted in no time. There's no need for messy super glue or oversized patches. Just take this repair patch that came with your YAWN Air Bed and cut it down to size so it's just a little bigger than the hole. Clean and dry the area around the puncture thoroughly. Then peel the paper off the vinyl patch that you've cut down to size and firmly press the sticky side down over the puncture area. Give it a chance to settle, and after around 20 minutes you'll be ready to inflate your YAWN Air Bed again. If you're still having trouble with your YAWN Air Bed, just get in touch with our customer service team.